Star, please unbox this for me because I don't remember what this is from last year.
Okay. Hi everyone. For today, I will going to unbox this Chanel bag my employer bought from last year. And she forgot what it is, so she asked me to open this for her. Let's go. What's this? Vegan. Box is so big that it can cover my entire face. This is VJ. Ganito pala. Gusto niya lang. No, I can edit it. Whoa! This one is so nice. First, not. Whoa! A dustpan and go. Oh! Ay, another one. Hindi pa siya. Feel the very nice. Wow. Wow. Wow, you remember how much was this? Nice. It's my mama's bag. Very nice. So that's it for today's video.